It's time to clean the skate park. Ooh. I'm not sure if this is actually how you're supposed to clean a skate park. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a big square and then we're gonna try and keep it in that square. How does that sound? That sounds great, Aaron. Thanks, guys. Well played. We're gonna rectangle it. And when I mean rectangle it, I mean tangle it. I mean, doesn't some part of you just want to spread soap everywhere? Keep it in the triangle, triangle, triangle. Keep it in the triangle and things are gonna get slippery. Wow, Mowgli. Gabe said, bring extra clothes, and this is what he came in. Well played, McNuggets. Oh no, I forgot how utterly slippery. I forgot how dangerous this actually is. The plan for today is that we were gonna do a series of 3 events. No, Chris, wait! You gotta keep it in the square. That was it. Wait, you're getting it all over me. So we're gonna do a series of 2 events. Excuse me, Chris? You need to go to the bathroom? First event, longest power slide. Whoever wins that, wins that. Second event is the best trick. Guess who's judging that best trick? You, yes, you are judging that best trick. So you've got to leave it in the comments below. Who did the best trick? And I cannot wait to see who won.
Now you all know I can't dance.
Yeah, as if we had a question about it. Leave it in the comments below if you think Chris can dance. Actually, once you get it off your feet, it really helps. What is that? See, my plan was to cover it in dish soap and then add a little element, a special little element of le bubble touch on top of the
Bubble de bate?
bubble de bath. Should we toss it in there? let me get the thumbnail first. No! He said, oh wow, this is crazy. I didn't think it was gonna be this crazy. Okay, well we thought that we would mix it up a little bit this time and see if we can get a little bubbles going. A little bubble bath action. Mix that bubble bath in, yes you can do it. Ninja Turtles, Secret of the Ooze.
Last time we had this, I didn't even slam once.
This is the best this place has ever smelled.
Yeah, except for that last time I farted. Toss a little water in there to get some bubbles going. Is that how you get Mick Bubbles? Oh yeah, it's not slippery at all, it's fine. The varial flip's alive! Yeah, I thought, oh, bubble bath, we're gonna have bubbles everywhere.
You had Ricky for your answer. Congratulations, you just won the comment question.
YOLO! Okay, I guess we do need to extend it a little bit further. I snot rocketed onto my shoes. Look at my shoes. Just a slight little damage. Now we got some bubbles. Yeah, there you go. Watch yourself. Yeah, I told you. Longest power slide? Oh no! It's not slippery on the wheels. That's as long as I can go. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, booger slide 1. I think we need a little bit more of this down here so we can extend the love. I think we got to go all the way to this ramp so you can go up and back down. Should have thought about this. Should have just done one straight long line. Wow.
Oh my God!
Please. Yeah, JD.
Mowgli, that was incredible.
Dude, I was scared. I don't know how I did that one.
Oh no. Don't we have a squeegee thing? No. Yeah.
You just got a handful of slime?
Should have got more boards to use.
New hat?
Yeah, it's a new Braille hat. I don't know if I should be wearing this actually. It's exclusive.
Oh! Is your ACL okay?
I broke it already.
I got bodied.
Oh, boy.
How are you this good at everything? Oh, what you got the squeegee for?
Because I can spread it out nice and in the line.
I like that trick. That's a good trick.
Yeah, I got it. That was one clean trick. Get it? Glasser, you almost killed me. Gee, you know what would have been really funny is just put this at the bottom of the 5 stair.
Oh my God.
I can hear the thuds on the ground. We should have put the mic on Ricky just so he can hear the doosh. So remember, this is a best trick contest, guys. So. Show the camera your hands. When he first gets up, they're just oozing everywhere. No way! That is the scariest thing I've ever seen anyone attempt ever. point did he not see that coming? What is he thinking? Hard flip. I love how he just tosses a varial flip like.
Are you kidding me?
1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh, there you go. 180.
He almost killed me. Almost killed me and you.
You want the knee pads, bro? Leave it in the comments below. Best trick and best slam. This is still going. These people are going ham. Chris really wants that soap.
Do that. Bro!
Did I just win the best? Yeah, I'm good.
He lost his hat! He lost his hat!
That was fun at its finest.
Oh my God!
Chris McNugget's better on soap than he is with just regular ground. All right, guys, you have to leave a comment. Let us know. Best slam, best trick. Let's go! We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's an absolute blast. We have everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.